Good evening and welcome to the Weather Center. We are not seeing a lot of cloud here on the latest satellite picture across the country, except for the northern parts of the Northern Cape and parts of the Northwest, as well as over the southern interior. However, further west, we are looking at a fairly organized cold front, which is slowly edging towards our shores. So here's what you can expect for your Monday evening. Isolated thunder showers are forecast over the northern areas of the Northern Cape, extending into much of the Northwest. We are also expecting showers over the southern interior. The cold front we saw earlier is going to introduce a bit of rain over parts of the south coast. Drizzly weather is forecast along the Mpumalanga and Limpopo escarpments. On Tuesday, thunder showers are expected in these areas highlighted here. It's going to be cloudy with rain along the south coast, extending into the eastern Cape coastal areas. Dry, however, as we go towards the KwaZulu-Natal coast, as well as over the easternmost parts of the country. It's going to be pretty breezy along the southwest coastline. Now, tonight you can expect up to a 40% chance of rain along parts of the south coast, just a 20% chance of thunder showers over the southern interior, much of the northwest, and the northern parts of the Northern Cape. Just a 20% chance of drizzle is also forecast along the Limpopo and Mpumalanga escarpments. Johannesburg is going to get away with partly cloudy skies tonight, as you can see here on the Metro Vision picture. Overnight temperatures dropping to around 13 degrees. A northeasterly airflow is forecast tonight along the east coast, southerlies over the south coast and the southern interior. Then on Tuesday, we are expecting a southeasterly airflow over the southern parts of the country. Northwesterlies are forecast over the northern half of South Africa, and an easterly airflow sets in along the east coast. Overnight temperatures will drop to around 13 degrees for Johannesburg, Pretoria 14, the same from Bombela, warmer over the western parts of the northwest and Free State, as well as the eastern half of the Northern Cape, where Appington should drop to around 22, 16 for the minimum in the mother city, 17 for Port Elizabeth, East London, Durban and Richards Bay will all see minimums around 18 degrees. We are going to have a cool Tuesday over the southern parts of South Africa. Cape Town peaking at just 22, 17 for the high in George, 21 in Port Elizabeth, warmer as we go towards East London. Top temperatures will lie in the mid to upper 20s across much of KwaZulu-Natal, Johannesburg 26, 28 in Pretoria and Mbombela, but it's going to be sizzling hot for Appington with a high of 38 degrees. Thunder showers are forecast on Wednesday across much of the interior. It's going to be dry, however, for Durban and Richards Bay, and mostly sunny along the west coast. Then on Thursday, we are going to stay with the mostly sunny skies for the west coast. Thunder showers are forecast in places across the rest of South Africa.